Hello, this is the trade journal which I use and I'm going to share with you. So I quickly give the overview of this journal. The first column is the date. So the date, for example, if you start today, so you can write today, or if you start whatever the date you write here, then automatically it will drag automatically the next dates. So let's say you start today, then is okay. If you start on, let's say, from 15th, so if you will write 15, you see automatically it changed to 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, something like this. And then Friday, Monday, Tuesday, and then Friday, Monday. So it is only on the work day. Okay. So I change the date back. So let's say if you want to start your journal today, so just write the date here. And then if you are using just one account, is okay. If you are using multiple accounts, don't change here, because here is a formula. You go to this section, and this is where you can write your account's name. Let's say you have a one account, you just write here one account and then delete these all. And if you have two accounts, write here two accounts and then use the capital of those two accounts and then delete this one, whatever is your requirement. Okay, so whatever you will write here with the capital, it will appear here. Okay, and then you delete this all data. And let's say today is Friday, and in your personal account you make $250, or maybe in the FTMO account you make $2,000, something like this. Or you have another account, let's say $50, another account you have minus let's say $500. So you see that this is $1,800 for today. And if you go to the account dashboard, here is the drag down list. So if you want to check that in my personal account how much I make every day, and here you can see the graph, it will appear every day like this, and it will show you this whole data. You can read this data, this is easy to understand. And if you write personal, you see that it is showing that you have the $250 today, you can see. And if you just drop down to, let's say, FTMO account, so you made $2,000. So you see here. So like this, you can check your account one by one, that every day how much your account is making, and cumulatively what is your overall profit and loss, and what are your winning days and losing days, something like this. What is your win loss ratio, these kind of things, and also on graphical representation. So this is one by one account. And if you go to the overall dashboard, you can see your overall capital here, and then overall how much you are making with a graphical representation. So let's say you see that overall you have $1,800. You see this is $1,800. And let's say Monday you make $500, $500, $750, or $100. So you have $1,850. Now you see, now you have 3,650. This is the overall. And individually you can check here that how much you made. You see this is the minus 500. Did you see that this is the minus 500? So this is how you can do. So I just delete this one. And why I'm making this video, to explain that don't use any kind of columns where you have the formulas. Only use this column. Okay, if you have just one account, only use this one column, and otherwise use other columns. And also if you want to change this information, then you will go and change here. Okay, and other than that you don't need to change anything, then everything is just formula based. So this is your column where you can write, or these are your columns where you can write. Okay, and this is where you can change the date if you want. By the way, if you start today, then you have a lot of next dates automatically. And I think this is enough. You can use this journal like this. Okay. Thank you.